Parang I always have people or my partner, or whoever to make the decisions for me. Yung Kapuso Primetime Princess. Actually, hindi ko alam kung kailan siya nagsimula kasi kung hindi ako nagkakamali, nagsimula ako sa Kapuso Twin Queen. Para syempre tumanda ako. So syempre hindi na bagay yung twin, di ba? So hindi ko alam kung kailan siya nag-start, pero I remember kung gaano ako kinilig nung una kong narinig na tinawag ako ng ganun. At para, di ba, syempre i-recognize ka ng mother network mo as their primetime princess. Sobrang sobrang honor yon para sa akin. At nagbigay inspirasyon at motivation din yun. Para galingan ko palalo, di ba? Kung dati 100%, ngayon 200% nang ibibigay natin. To be honest, parang hindi ako ang dapat tanungin. Kasi syempre, ako naman po ay gumaganap lamang, hindi po ba? Pero syempre, at yan po ay collaborative work of the creative, the captain of the ship, the director, syempre, and everyone behind the camera. Syempre, ang gumawa ng story, ang nagsulat, and of course, GMA. Ang siguro masasabi ko na lang po ay feeling ko I have that mass appeal, and I'm very proud of it kasi they are the best audience to cater to. Sobrang saya and sobrang na-appreciate kasi nila yung ginagawa namin para sa kanila. So, mas lalong nakakaenggan yung magtrabaho. Actor Al Pacino, actress Meryl Streep. And I admire them so much because in whatever they do, in terms of their craft, yung acting nila, it comes naturally, sobrang effortless, pero I can only imagine kung gaano yung proseso nila, gaanong kahirap, ka-detalyado ang kanilang proseso sa kung paano nila gagawin ang kanilang trabaho. And what I love most about them is that they keep their personal lives intact and private. And yun, dream ko din yun. Yun. Pag narinig ko na yung 5, 4, 3, 2, action! Kasi it means I'm about to do what I love to do. I'd like to believe that yes. Dahil para sa akin, it's the little things hindi ba? Yung dati, special occasions lang or pagka meron lang may birthday sa amin, tsaka lang kami nakakakain sa restaurant. Ngayon, talagang kahit saan gustong kumain ng pamilya ko, talagang dinadala ko sila. No questions asked. And also, na yung nanay ko, hindi ba, na dati nakikita ko talagang nagsistapler siya ng kahon ng yema. Ngayon, parang 5-6 na K-drama, sinusunod-sunod niya ng panood, na komportable lang siya sa bahay, naka-aircon, hindi ba? Kasama ng mga aso ko. yung daddy ko naman, mas marami pa yata siyang sapatos kaysa sa akin. Na dati, tinitignan lang niya sa mall. Ngayon, nasa closet na niya, nasa bagong closet niya sa aming bagong bahay. That I don't make my own decisions. Na parang I always have people or my partner, or whoever to make the decisions for me. And let me tell you, hindi na ako. Let GMA Sparkle, my family, and Jack tell you otherwise. Nakatulong siya dahil mas mabilis yung pagkakakilala ng mga tao sa akin. At nakatulong siya in terms of mas napalawak niya yung range ko as an actress. Kasi to be honest, parang sa takbo ng karera ko bago mag-Maria Clara at Ibarra, hindi ko na-imagine na babalik ako sa Love Team. Kasi nga sabi ko, nanggaling na ako doon, so akala ko tapos na. Pero ngayon nakabalik ako doon and kinagat pa rin ng mga tao. So parang it made me very proud of myself pa rin. Kasi kumbaga, kaya ko pa rin palang ma-Love Team, hindi ba? And yun, I feel like overall it's very good business. Challenges siguro how to divert the people's attention from my personal life, especially if it doesn't really concern the Love Team per se. And by the way, I am speaking in general. Ito po ay base po sa experience ko in general. Yung having the need to build a good working relationship with your on-screen partner and having to maintain it. Kasi unfortunately, it's not all the time na you like the person right away. Syempre, halos araw-araw kayo magkasama, hindi ba? So, may extra effort and extra work that you have to put in para talagang kilalanin yung tao, intindihin yung tao. And I understand that very much now kasi mas naiintindihan ko yung konsepto ng Love Team. So, and I'd like to think na nag-mature na rin ako. So, ako naman, I'm always willing to do that extra work. Pero syempre, just as long as they don't disrespect me, my time, and my job. I always say this. Gusto ko po talagang maging serial killer. Sobrang layo, I know. Kaya sobrang layo sa itsura ko. Kaya baka nga hindi pa nangyayari, hindi ko pa nagagawa kasi medyo challenging siya for a writer to imagine me as a serial killer. Pero I am willing talaga po, as in sobrang dream ko pong role yun. I learned a lot. I learned not to take things seriously and to take things seriously at the same time, if that makes any sense. And also, if there's something I want to change, I could have done more films given the chance and the time. Kasi para sa akin, looking back, parang GMA has given me so much talaga, so much projects, and so much TV projects na masasabi kong I'm really grateful for. Pero given the chance, sana nakagawa pa ako ng mas maraming pelikula na talagang panglaban ng international film festivals. Kasi na-experience kong makarating ng Estonia dahil nirepresent ko yung Tuos, isa sa aking mga independent films with Miss Nora Honor and directed by Derek Cabrido. So gusto ko yung ganong experience kasi sobrang fulfilling niya as an actress and as an artist. Thank you so much, Pep. Thank you so much.